So Canva recently had a lot of new features added with their Droptober, and there's one in particular that I want to take a look at, which is very nice, and it's available in the free version. You don't need a pro version for it. So we're going to take a look at the captioning option in Canva. And for this, I'm going to create a design, and I'm going to choose a YouTube video. And now I'm going to add my own video into this video project. So I'm just dragging it in. You can also find this video on my YouTube channel. I'm just going to enlarge it so it fits my project. And as you can see here on the left, it's uploading. So we're now going to have to wait a little bit until it's done. I will fast forward it for you so you don't have to wait as long as me. And when it's done uploading, you can select your video, go to text, and then you will see captions option here. Now, mind you, it might take a while before the captions option appears. So if it's not visible immediately, do wait a little bit. It will appear for you. And then when you click on captions, you can choose the video you want to use the captions, to generate captions on. And then you click generate captions. And now we wait until Canva makes the captions for us. And as you can see here, the captions appear in your video. You can move them around to the place where you want them to be. And you can also change your font, change the background color, because I do not really like this purple. Then go to effects, and then here you can select the color you want to use. Maybe a green fits the PDF. You can change all that. You can also change the size. When you click on captions on top here, you go to the captions that Canva generates for you, and you can see them all typed out. So you can check if there are errors, if there's something missing, if there are typos. You can also delete some text if you want to delete it. That's all adjustable here. But as you can see, let me play. Look at how you can delete pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So I have my PDF ready here, and at first glance, you can't do really much. Well, you can't, it looks like you can't delete your pages. So the only thing I saw is that it missed a U. Here it should say, well, U gone. So I can adjust that here, like this, and then it's adjusted in your edit captioning also. But I mean, it does a really good job, and it's quite quick. It's available in the free version, which is also nice. So really liking this update from Droptober, creating captions for your videos. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. There are new videos going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.